Welcome back to CoinZF, and before we begin, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF, because today's story is not just about a simple coin, it's about a hidden opportunity that most people overlook every single day. Imagine this: you reach into your pocket, pull out a handful of loose change, and among those ordinary coins sits something quietly waiting, something that could turn an everyday moment into a story worth telling for years. Today, we're talking about the Jefferson Nickel 2000D, a coin that many people have seen, but very few truly understand. Now, listen carefully, because this is not just information, this is knowledge that separates collectors from casual holders. The Jefferson Nickel series has a long and respected history. First introduced in 1938, it replaced the Buffalo nickel and carried the image of Thomas Jefferson, one of the most influential figures in American history. But the year 2000 marks something interesting. It was the beginning of a new millennium, and coins minted during such transitional years often carry hidden importance. The 2000D Jefferson Nickel was minted in Denver, which is indicated by the small d mint mark on the coin. Millions of these coins were produced. Yes, millions. So you might think, how can something so common become valuable? That's where the real story begins. Value in coins is not always about how many were made. It's about condition, rarity within condition, and sometimes mistakes. Let's talk about condition first. A circulated 2000D nickel, the kind you might find in your pocket, usually holds only face value. 5 cents. Nothing exciting. But when you step into the world of uncirculated coins that were never used in daily transactions, everything changes. An uncirculated 2000D Jefferson Nickel with a sharp strike, full detail in Jefferson's hair, and clean surfaces can already attract attention from collectors. But if that coin reaches a high grade, something like MS65 or above, now you're entering a different league. And then comes the real treasure, the coins with full steps. Down on the reverse side of the coin, there's an image of Monticello, Jefferson's home. Look closely at the steps leading up to the building. In most coins, these steps are worn out or not fully struck. But in rare cases, all the steps are clearly visible. These are called full steps coins, and collectors are willing to pay a premium for them. Why? Because they are rare in perfect form. Now imagine this: a 2000D Jefferson Nickel in high mint state condition, with full steps, strong luster, no scratches, no marks. That coin suddenly becomes something special. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's talk about mint errors, the secret world that turns ordinary coins into extraordinary discoveries. Some 2000D nickels have been found with striking errors. Off-center strikes, die cracks, double strikes. These are not defect to collectors, they are treasures. A small mistake of the mint can turn a 5-cent coin into something worth hundreds, even thousands. Think about that for a moment, that a mistake can create value. Now picture a collector sitting quietly, examining coins under a light. He finds a 2000D nickel with a slight doubling in the lettering or a misalignment that shouldn't be there. His heart starts a race, because he knows this is not just a coin anymore. This is a discovery, and discoveries are where the real money lives. But here's the truth that most people don't talk about. Not every 2000D nickel is valuable. In fact, most are not. And that's exactly why the valuable ones matter so much. Because they are hidden in plain sight, mixed in with millions of ordinary coins waiting for someone patient enough to notice the difference. This is not luck. This is awareness. Collectors who succeed are not just lucky, they are observant. They take their time. They study details. They respect the small things. Now, let's bring this closer to you. How many times have you ignored nickel? How many times have you seen one and thought, it's just 5 cents? What if one of those moments was your missed opportunity? Because the truth is simple. Opportunities don't always look valuable at first glance. Sometimes they look ordinary. And that's exactly what makes them powerful. The Jefferson Nickel 2000D is a perfect example of that idea. It teaches us that value is not always obvious. It teaches us to slow down, to look closer, to question what we think we already know. And for those who take that lesson seriously, rewards can follow. Now imagine building a small habit. Every day, you check your coins. Not quickly, but carefully. You look at the dates. You check the mint marks. You examine the details. Days pass, nothing special. Weeks pass, still nothing. And then one day you find it. A coin that looks just a little different, a little sharper, a little more defined. You take a closer look, and suddenly you realize this could be something. That moment is what collectors live for. Not just the money, but the discovery, the feeling that you found something others missed. And that's why this hobby is more than just collecting coins. It's about curiosity. It's about patience. It's about seeing value where others see nothing. So when you look at Jefferson Nickel 2000D, don't just see a coin. See a possibility. See a story. See a chance. Because somewhere out there right now, there's a 2000D nickel sitting quietly waiting for the right person to recognize it. And maybe, just maybe, that person is you.S. Oh, the next time you hold a coin in your hand, don't rush. Take a second, look closer, because small things can carry big value. And now, here's the number that changes everything. A rare, high-grade Jefferson Nickel 2000D with exceptional condition and full steps has been known to reach values around $51,017. Yes, from 5 cents to $51,000. That is the power of knowledge. And that is why you never ignore a coin again.